1 divided by 50. Here 50 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 50. Here is the easy way to find out the multiplication table of 50. Look, just add 50 with the previous step. Look, 50 times 0, 0, 50 times 1, 50, 50 times 200, 50 times 3, 150. Just add 50 with the previous step. That means 0 plus 50, 50, 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 50, 200. Like this. 5 goes into this 1 how many times? Since 1 is less than 50, so 0 times. 0 times 50, 0. Subtract 1. To continue this process, just convert this whole number into decimal number. You can add any number of zeros after taking decimal of a whole number. So bring down the first zero. Now we have 10. But before this zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Now 50 goes into 10 how many times? 0 time, because 10 is less than 50. 0 times 50, 0. Subtract 10. Bring down this 0. 50 goes into 100 how many times? 50 goes into 100 2 times. Write 2. 2 times 50, which is 100. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Since your remainder is 0, so we are done. We don't need to continue. So 0.02 is our answer.